Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here, basically, we are discussing on the topic that is about city creation. And in city creation, basically, we are discussing one topic that is India account. And in this, basically, we are talking about one topic that is Sunilar Nair. Basically, that is this person who is not getting job. Basically, and one of the person told that Sunilar Nair basically is not getting the job, right? So this is that map basically. This is that map basically where Sunil R. Nair is staying, and Sunil R. Nair basically is not getting the income. This is at one of the land basically, that is India land, where Sunil R. Nair basically is not getting the income. Why? Because here the soft companies and the government basically is not paying the money to Sunil R. Nair. That is BJP government, that is Narendra Damodar Modi and Chief Minister Bhupender Patel, and both are Gujaratis. Both are Gujaratis basically. So one of the person told that, is this connecting to the casteism basically? One of the person told that, is it connecting to the casteism that we are Gujaratis and we are not going to pay the money to South Indian? Then one of the person told that there are many South Indians basically who are working in Vadodara city and in India basically. Then the talk basically stopped here basically, and it connected to the personal basically. So there is some personal enemy with BJP government and Sunil R. Nair basically. So one of the person told that, what might be that personal enemy basically? One of the person told that basically. One of the person told that Narendra Modi is connected with Hitler basically. Hitler group basically. Up to that level basically the connections are there of the BJP government basically. So they told that basically, is this basically right, like that basically you have any enemy with Hitler basically? Then one of the person told us, Sunil, what is your age here basically? Then Sunil Arnar basically told that my age is 44. And Hitler basically currently is basically having 200 plus age basically. So this doesn't matches basically. He don't have enemy with me basically. Then basically the topic connect to some other thing basically. That connected again back to the India account. That connected to India account. So one of the person told that basically this is connecting to the some personal basically. One of the person told that this is connecting to some personal basically. That is the India account is connecting, and your money income is connecting to the some personal thing basically. So one of the person told that, what might be that personal here basically? Then one of the person told that, do you know basically businessmen basically how they calculate their personal thing basically? Then they told that, then Sunil Ramna told that basically I know basically, but that not very deeply basically I don't know. Then also basically Sunil Ramna told that basically let's me explain basically the businessman account basically, how they basically manage everything basically. So they told that basically they basically are doing the business. Then one of the person told that yes basically they are doing the business. In this basically they are connected with the set of Bollywood groups basically. They are continuously watching basically. If he is going in the bathroom also basically, then also basically they are watching in bathroom basically. So there is no personal life of businessmen basically. If they are doing anything basically, they are basically tracked. Anything means anything basically. Personal life basically is not there of the businessman. Why? Because they have given their authority to authority of stories basically to handle the Bollywood group basically. To handle the to Bollywood group. So one of the person told that they basically handles each accounts of the businessman basically, debit and credit basically. In accounts basically it's only one thing basically, one is debit and one is credit. Somebody given trouble to businessman, they basically businessman basically can't but they know that basically this group has basically given trouble, but exactly which person basically they basically can't act, that basically Bollywood group strikes. So each businessman basically groups are connected with the Bollywood group. For example, one businessman basically for example in some mall basically somebody basically told some bad words basically to one of the businessmen. He basically was drunk and he basically told something, that Bollywood group tracked, and they basically given return back also basically, because they have to give each and every debit credit basically. For example, debit was this, that person basically drunk and told basically something basically in outside the mall. Credit what was what, his head damage, his leg damage, his heart damage, his eye damage. They basically literally displayed the videos also basically, the Bollywood group basically, because they have to keep everything clean basically, and Bollywood groups are basically very dangerous. They basically think that basically nobody can track this. Assume that basically they have basically damaged head, this, that, each and everything basically they have done, and they have basically told that basically we have created few movies also of that basically. See basically he has done that now basically. For that basically we have done this. So they basically keep each and every data basically. You will not believe it basically. They keeps each and every views basically. Currently basically still basically they are in Mumbai. So they told that basically they keeps each and every videos basically, yeah basically. For example, some businessman basically, both businessmen basically fighted basically. They basically captured that view basically. But another person also basically was a businessman. Their group also basically captured this. So that basically here basically the business war basically started, and this basically really basically war happens basically, and this connects to very big war also sometime basically. But that basically the businessman group basically, because they have the money, they have the power, they have everything basically. So they basically can fight, and they basically can have their fighting life basically. But normal person basically can't do basically. Normal person, for example, one person basically drunk and basically told basically something in outside the mall. He was poor person basically. Assume that basically some person basically told something bad in Mumbai city, and that was basically person basically was very big rich businessman basically. Just taking as an example, basically really this has not happened. Just taking as an example, and that video basically was captured basically because each and every big businessman, each and every properties basically are captured by satellite group also basically. That is the main thing basically, because they are going to affect to entire country. Assume that basically in Mumbai city, uh, there are around 100 malls. So that 100 malls owner basically is that person basically. So even basically the the Maharashtra government basically take care of that particular person basically. And they literally basically if it's a normal person basically, then they basically kills also basically, because they have to give the balance sheet na basically, that that person has told this, so we have killed that person. One of the person told that Sunil basically somebody has tried to kill you also basically, because you are not having income and you are not getting the money from Indian government that is sitting still basically sitting in Delhi Parliament House, and in Gandhinagar basically. They are still sitting basically, still sitting. So one of the person told that if basically they can't solve the problem basically, they basically kills that particular person only basically. So somebody basically might have told that basically kill Sunil Nair basically. Somebody basically advisor basically group might give the idea basically, and that idea basically changed the world also basically. And that example is corona disease basically. In that basically more than 100 crore people basically died. That was one idea basically, which changed the entire world. In that Mumbai also basically more than 10 lakh people basically died. So one of the person told that India account basically is like that basically. So one of the person told that how government basically keeps control of each and every people basically. Because keeping control means what basically? Income. Because without income basically, if you go to one shop basically, you take basically few vegetables, few fruits, few these, that basically, and if you will say that basically, भाई मेरे पास पैसा वैसे नहीं है, then he is going to give you basically. Even basically nowadays mafia group also basically pay the money peacefully basically by ले ले भाई साले, because they don't want to display that I am mafia. Because nowadays people basically think negative, think so nowadays it's like that basically. They basically don't display that I am मतलब mafia का आदमी हूँ भाई. I am basically the big dangerous person basically. So they don't basically nowadays display like that basically. So they pays the amount. Same way basically, the government basically controls the income basically of particular person. Controls the income of particular person. That's all basically. They have done their task basically. They stopped the income. They have taken the control of that particular person. They had told the software company basically, भाई इसको पैसा पैसा मत देना, इसको don't give him job basically. That's all. They have done their task basically. Yeah. They have done their task basically. So nowadays basically governments thinks like that. Now not only nowadays basically, it's very previously basically they are doing like that only basically. So Indian government told software companies, भाई इसको don't give him job. We have basically planned to kill him. So this was told by Indian government basically, yeah. That is Narendra Damodar Modi and Chief Minister Bhupender Patel basically. Both are still exist basically. One of the satellite person told that how basically where basically they are sitting here basically. Satellite, one of the satellite and universe group basically told basically where these groups are basically sitting. Can you please tell basically us? One of the person told that there are 1,000 Narendra Damodar Modi. There are 1,000 Bhupender Patel. That is basically big topic, huh? Basically that we are going to discuss later on. So, and that connects to news channel also. That also basically we are going to connect here. Because news channel basically have to listen government. Otherwise basically their income also basically will stop. Huh? Basically that is very dangerous thing basically. If news group basically will not give the news of each and every people basically who is giving against the government, their income also will stop the government by the government, because the power of the government is like that. Power of government is like that basically. Because the government system is created like that basically. Government system is created like that. One of the person told that where is India basically from satellite. One of the person told that basically. So from satellite basically the India looks like this basically. This is the country basically where whose prime minister is Narendra Damodar Modi and the chief minister is Bhupender Patel, who is not giving money to the Sunil R. Nair basically. Yeah, this is the thing. See basically. This is the map basically. See basically. So this is that country basically, whose prime minister and chief minister basically are giving trouble to Sunil R. Nair. So one of the person told that not they basically giving, their groups are actually giving. That is BJP and their supporters. BJP and their supporters basically. That is basically the entire parliament house basically are one basically, because all are sitting at home one place only basically. And one of the person told that without government basically support you can go outside India. No, that is not possible na, basically. That is not possible basically. I will take one example. You will basically not believe basically. You will not believe. One person told that basically one child, how basically the each and every individual accounts are handled. One person basically got birth. Person is child basically. When he basically gets out basically from mother's body, he basically starts crying. Na, basically. He knows everything basically. He's a child basically. He start crying basically. He cries lot. The noise department basically comes into the picture. That is a pollution department, noise pollution department. He basically starts claiming basically they give this punishment, that punishment, this punishment, that punishment. According to that, they give the DTT ka injection basically. But that small child basically has done know anything basically. That is Indian government basically. One of the person told that ये मतलब कौन है यार ये इंडियन गवर्नमेंट में, who are basically sitting at the top place basically. That is in parliament house basically. Who are those group basically are basically. The small child basically given DTT ka tika, according to he cried. So punishment basically started from there basically, because he has got the DTT ka injection according to his cry basically. Because immediately basically he don't, that child basically doesn't get the injection basically. Then basically the journey basically of that child started. Then basically he reached to school. Then basically he throw some tiffin basically. There basically hit somebody tracked basically. अरे इसने तो टिफिन फेंक दिया है basically. अन्न अपराध, अन्न दान, अन्न देव का अपमान किया उसने. There basically somebody punished him basically. That poor child basically don't know anything here basically. That is Indian government. In Delhi basically they are sitting basically. Even basically God might be thinking and basically, अरे who are these people here basically? They are sitting in Delhi state and money is given by Mumbai city. Even God basically might be thinking here basically from sky basically, yaar, poor child basically has just thrown basically few tiffin box basically and they basically given punishment to that child basically. They basically damaged his hand, they basically damaged his leg. So journey basically started of child basically. Then basically one Muslim girl basically was that child friend. They basically started talking basically each other. कैसा है कैसा है कैसा है कैसा है. Both exchanged their pen also. This that each and everything basically happened. But that girl basically was Kattar Muslim group basically. They basically tracked that scene basically. They basically given hard punishment basically. That he is not supposed to talk to any of the girl, to give that type of punishment. Then basically what punishment they have that Kattar group basically given, that basically don't know. They basically given the punishment, that small child basically. After that basically never talked to the girl also. Muslim girl basically. Then basically the journey again started. Then basically he was going in cycle basically. He was having few bells basically. And if you when basically he was going to from road basically, he was having the cycle basically. He was having one bell. He basically started from, he was basically getting some problem in the road. He was not getting the side to go front basically. So he just started bailing basically. That time basically the American company basically was near about that basically. From when basically he was, sorry, the road basically from where basically he was going from the cycle basically, near to that basically American company basically was over there. And American company basically was, horn is a ban basically in America. So they captured that child basically, and they basically from America they given the punishment to that child basically. अरे भाई इसको punishment दो भाई. And in this basically Indian government supported that group basically, because lots of Indian people are staying there. Na, basically, if you will not listen America, then they will kill Indian people basically. So what Indian government can do basically? Here basically Indian government become poor basically. So both side basically are there. Sometimes basically Indian government are very powerful. Sometimes basically Indian government are poor because they have killed few people basically. If they have not listened American government, they basically given the punishment to that child also. Basically. Their basically hand was damaged of that particular boy basically. He was not able to do the bell also basically. Sometimes basically his head also basically was damaged. He was getting chakkar also. Why? That was American government. Horn basically. H for horn and H for head basically. Like this basically they are given the punishment. So they damaged that child head also. In this basically the school group also supported that government. They basically given poison in the tiffin box basically, and then basically the head got damaged. But each and everything basically was recorded. Basically, this is basically real story basically of one child basically. Then basically his head basically got damaged. Like this basically the journey basically keeps on going, keeps on going, keeps on going. When basically he tried to move outside basically, one of the person told that basically वैसे हम तुम्हारा PR ट्राई कर रहे हैं, हम तुम्हारा वर्क परमिट ट्राई कर रहे हैं, हम तुम्हारा वीज़ा तैयार कर रहे हैं. They told that यार basically you have any पंगा with government. But they were basically new group basically. But old group told that basically भाई ये तो हमको पता है ऐसा. Because your passport basically is blacklisted. That blacklisted was basically why? Because from childhood basically when he cried basically, that time basically the punishment is ongoing, and the punishment and reached to very high level basically. That punishment basically has connected to the police department basically. Bolo. Poor child basically was crying. In that also basically they have given the punishment. Indian government basically. That means you have to, whenever the child is basically getting the birth basically he can't cry basically, or she basically can't cry. One of the person basically from satellite and from the few god basically told that basically where is India here basically. Then Sunila and I told that basically this is the India basically, where this type of thing basically happens, and this happens only in India. So one of the person told that yaar, that means when he basically want to exit from India, that time his passport was blocked basically. Why? Because from childhood case is ongoing basically. Government has registered as a case basically that he has cried basically, and he has broken the violence of the noise pollution basically. Poor child basically, small child basically, and this is the real fact basically. Nobody will believe this basically. When he was riding the cycle basically, when he was riding the bicycle, or basically he was having the vehicle, that time basically he had some horn. That time basically some American company employee basically was ongoing, and that time the American satellite basically was capturing that particular person, and that time basically he had the horn. So American rule applied to that particular person. So American की दादागिरी मतलब, this is basically called as America's की दादागिरी, and this happens basically. Indian government have to do that basically. Why? Otherwise basically they will kill the Indian people basically there. and lots of Indian people has died basically because India has not done their task. Here basically India become poor basically. The powerful India basically become poor. So one of the person told that एक छोटे से बच्चे ने क्या बिगाड़ा था, that he basically when he exchanged one pen, that time basically the Muslim कट्टरवादी group basically came into picture and they told that basically यानी किसी लड़की से बात नहीं करना चाहिए, ऐसा कर दे इसका. So this basically when it was when he basically want to exit from India. But he was a poor person basically. He basically when the rich person basically exit, there is no something basically. There is no noise pollution basically. There is no horn rule also basically applies. Nothing basically applies because they have money power basically. So that basically the Indian government has stopped basically. And when basically he is trying to exit from India, from childhood basically he has cried basically, that also basically rules applied here basically. So one of the person told that यार ये पार्लियामेंट हाउस का कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा. One of the person told that also basically. But he told that basically यार basically I am in India so I can't do that basically. But outside Indian people basically can do. But outside Indian people are controlled by Indian group only basically. If they will do something basically, they will get in trouble because entire government are one basically. American government, Indian government, both are one basically. And they have bad group also and good group also. But both are one basically. If it comes to the country, then basically both becomes one. So that is basically the mafia and police group basically. Both become one basically. For example, one person basically told bad something about the India. So mafia and police group basically both becomes one basically. Because both are doing India ka task. Then basically one person told that how basically that is possible here basically. Then he told that basically if you go past of the if each and every chief minister, each and every MLAs, each and every prime minister, each and every president, it's very dangerous past. Their past are very dangerous basically. Very dangerous means they were basically mafia groups basically. Few basically, not fully basically, but few people basically are like that basically. Few means 98%. Because they say that the person who created the parliament house now basically he tells that basically the bad people only basically can handle the country, can handle the city, can handle the states. सीधे साधे लोग का काम नहीं है. Means in English basically it is called the normal person behaving, the normal behaving person basically, the straightforward person, the shy person, the normal person basically. If anybody slaps basically he will give a second slap also basically. That type of person basically can't handle the city. Then basically one of the person told that then the Mahatma Gandhi is the Rashtrapita. That are basically very few people basically. Then one of the person told that if Mahatma Gandhi currently basically might be existing, then he might be damaging the head of any of the people basically. That is basically called Matha damage. Matha means it's a Hindi word basically. That is called as a head damage. So that is also basically one of the topic. So one of the person told the India account is very deeply connected, and it's connected to the demand and supply also basically you can say. Demand and supply basically you can say uh, one person is not getting job, one person is not getting job in software company, one person is getting job in software company. Why? Because his demand is more in software company, his demand is not more basically in software company. His demand is not more basically. Then one other person told that what is actually software here basically. One other person told that software, these projects, what is actually this all basically. And you just now told that basically 1,000 city equal to text box. This basically when you were heard, even the software company basically told that basically भाई तो पागल पागल है ऐसे ही बोलते रहते हैं. Text box basically to create one text box basically 1,000 city has taken basically. How you can say that basically? 1,000 city to create just one text box, combo box, check box, radio button to just create that much basically. Yeah, one of the software company basically told that ये तो भाई पागल पागल है यार. Don't see his video basically. He's just a mad person basically. But reality is this only. The text box is created, the checkbox is created, the combo box is created from 1,000 cities. So this is the fact. So the web browser when it get browse, when you see the text box, no, that text box is data is coming. Data means power supply is coming from 1,000 cities. That data is coming from the 1,000 cities. So one other person told that everything is basically like that. So one of the person told that one of the satellite person basically told, the universe person basically told, where is actually India? Then Sunil Nanda told that basically this is the India country. And to keep this land safe from India account basically, lots of monies are spent basically. That is called as a tax amount basically. They are paying actually tax. The Indian government are paying tax, and they are getting tax from the people basically. So both two tax basically, tax. So one of the person told that debit and credit both are tax basically. So on the base of this, the entire accounts is ongoing. Debit is tax, credit it is also tax basically. If we see like this basically, then also it's like that only basically. And in this, Sunil Arnar basically is not fitting basically. They have basically thrown out basically Sunil Arnar. That is Indian government basically. That is Prime Minister, and currently I am in India. Currently I am in Gujarat, so it's a Gujarat Chief Minister. If I would be in Bangalore, then it would be Karnataka. If I would be in Pune or Mumbai, it would be Maharashtra basically, Chief Minister. So this group basically fired Sunil Arnar basically. because somebody tracked the individual account. If something basically is going wrong basically in your life basically, that means somebody has tracked your individual side basically, individual lifestyle basically. Your individual lifestyle basically has tracked by someone. In this basically they have, the Indian government has used cyber industry basically. So one of the tracking industry is cyber also basically. They tracks the individual lifestyle basically of each and every people. And this is basically very bad thing basically. But the government says that basically to secure the country basically they can basically go into the bathroom also basically, what that person is basically doing in bathroom. And some people say that basically इसने कितना टॉयलेट किया, that also basically few people basically tracks basically. The businessman lifestyle are like that only basically. Businessman lifestyle basically are like this. They basically go to bathroom at what time basically, and when they basically gets out na, that also basically are tracked by the Bollywood group basically. Reason that time basically are very dangerous. When they basically get say, some problem, their basically lifestyle are basically very dangerous. One other person to the, I will take one example. Assume that basically one person basically sold the house and he basically got some amount, and he basically not paid the amount to the government because that amount basically was more than 8 lakh. So what government will do basically? They will basically kill that particular person that he has not paid the tax. They can do basically. They can do basically. They are basically up to that level basically. Few government are up to that level basically. That's why Congress group basically created BJP and Aam Aadmi Party. And Congress group has created lots of people, lots of parties basically. If they want to kill any person basically, they allocates the task to the that particular group. That is the BSP basically, Basapa basically, Akhilesh party basically. Just taking as an example basically, because they are very seedhe saade group basically. Just taking as an example basically, nothing else. If they want to do any this task, this type of task, they allocate that task to the BJP. So this is that land basically. So from satellite basically it looks like that basically. It's like this. So another person told that it's very dangerous lifestyle basically. It's not easy the life basically, to handle one account. That's why basically BJP created, Congress created BJP, Aam Aadmi Party, Basapa, BCP, this, that, this, RJD, this, that, basically each and everything basically they have created just to handle the India account, because they know that individual till individual basically one day basically they will reach up to the individual person basically. They might be knowing basically. I will take one more example. Assume that basically there are 180 crore people basically in India. Few people basically who have some bad habits, their account are basically given to the this party. If they have good habits, that account is given to that party. If they have some that type of habit, they basically have given that account to that party. They are basically good intelligent, the person basically I'm telling, they have given this account to that parties. They are basically not intelligent, that account is given to that particular parties. Here basically duffer, basically duffer means they basically always fails, that is account is given to that party. That person basically is a profession person, basically that account is given to that party. Like this, each and every party is basically, for example, one person basically information the one political party is required, so they basically will say that basically what he is doing, basically according to that basically they tracks the particular person, basically particular parties, basically the particular party will say that basically ये तो ये कर रहा है, वो कर रहा है, ये कर रहा है, ये कर रहा है. That's why basically he has got the punishment. That's why basically he has got the punishment. So like this also basically India accounts basically contain. So one of the person told that India account is very dangerous account. And India banks basically that are connected with, one of the person told the India account basically contains bank account information also. 100%. Then basically the India account is basically in which bank basically? Because it connects to banks basically now. India is one account. India is having around, as in that basically 100 banks are there. 100 banks account are there in India bank, India account. India account is in some another bank basically. So like this basically things are basically handled basically, and this basically handles like this way only basically. Like this way only basically everything handles. India got this many GDP. That is a target basically they have got. So they have to fulfill the target according to the India account only basically they have got the target now basically. India account basically was viewed by the particular group, and they saw that basically India is like this and they have this many capability. According to that basically they have given the GDP to the India government, sorry, to the India account basically. Then India account group basically handles the each and every areas. So if we say that basically India account group basically are higher than the Indian government, then also basically it would be correct basically. So one of the person told that to handle the India account basically, normal person basically can't handle it, right? Basically, even basically the person is having the chartered accountant degree na basically, he also can't handle the this type of stuff basically. He can handle the company's account, he can handle few companies account, but to handle India account basically it's very dangerous thing basically. He can't handle basically because he should be perfect basically. So one of the person told that this type of people basically human basically can do this. Then one person told that human can do basically, but this type of people basically are created basically, and they are basically known as a human clone. And human clone are basically controlled by the set of groups basically. Few people basically, but few are human basically. So that type of things basically are also there. One of the person told that you are not getting income, that is connecting to this level only basically, that is the accounts level basically. And accounts level basically connects to the country to country. If India country is connected with the another country na basically, they will say that basically if this person is not good, so India will say that basically अरे भाई ये आदमी बराबर नहीं है. They basically will not see that basically ये तो ये इंडिया का आदमी है यार basically. How basically they can say that basically? But they basically never basically watch, and they basically blindly believe that भाई अमेरिका ने बोला he is not proper basically. America has already told basically that this person is not proper. So they basically literally थप्पा मार देते सिक्का basically. Europe people basically told that basically अरे भाई this person is not good. Throw basically that person in the dustbin basically, because America has told that basically. But America basically, why they told basically, that is also question basically. Because few things basically American people are basically doing in India, and they are basically taking as a service amount, and that person basically was having the knowledge of that service basically. So in slowly basically what will happen in India basically, the this type of task will happen, and America basically will say basically yeah, our task basically has taken by that group basically. But that basically never happens. Why? Because everything is already created. Now you can't change the thing. If you are changing, then it's world war, because each and every countries are connected with each other. If you are changing any single thing basically, it is going to convert to third world war. So when you want to change, on creation time only you have to change. After creating everything basically, if you are doing the change basically, then it will convert to, literally it will convert to third world war. Rules and regulation basically, it's known as a rules and regulation. For example, America has told ये पर्सन बराबर नहीं है भाई, देन इंडिया बेसिकली भी से यार हाँ यार ये पर्सन तो रियली में बराबर नहीं है. they basically never see that basically this person really में बराबर नहीं है क्या. This person is basically not good in IT industry, because this person say that basically तो ये है वो है, text box equal to 1000 cities, this that basically. Indian software group basically say that basically अरे ये तो पागल वागल है यार basically, he is a mad person basically. How basically one text box can create the text box creation took 1000 cities basically. One of the Indian software company basically person told that basically, and America told that basically he know basically, then basically we have to create him as a mad basically. So they told that basically he is not a proper person basically, so basically blacklist him basically from IT industry. So they literally blacklisted basically. They basically never thought that basically, the even software company basically never thought, because they also don't know basically. Indian software company, few people software company basically don't know that text box is equal to 1000 cities creation. To create one text box, it has taken 1000 cities. This American people and European people know that to create text box it has taken 1000 cities. 1000 basically I just taken as a number basically. In really basically it might be some other number. So Indian government are like this. So one of the person told that basically where is this India country? So Sunil Narine told that basically this is that country basically. If America says that basically ये तो डफर है, then America से the Indian government also say भाई इसको निकाल दो भाई, बाहर निकाल दो. So one of the person told that यार मतलब ये मतलब क्या है क्या, मतलब the person basically who is really good, who they basically he is basically doesn't get anything basically, and the person basically don't know anything basically, he is sitting at basically good chair, big chairs basically. So one of the person told that yes yeah basically it's like that basically. So that happens only in India, that happens only in India. अमेरिका ने बोला ये बराबर नहीं है, यस बेसिकली बराबर नहीं है. यूरोप टोल दो ये बराबर नहीं है. रशिया टोल भाई अरे नक्का मुझे यार कार्ड ना करने. रशियन बेसिकली टोल्ड इन गुजराती है बेसिकली, बिकॉज ही इज नॉट गुजराती बेसिकली. ही टोल्ड दैट भाई निकाल दो भाई इसको. सो इंडियन गवर्नमेंट टोल्ड हाँ भाई निकाल दो निकाल दो. निकाल दो. We will throw him out basically. Don't worry basically. You don't worry, because in Indian government basically the BJP is ruling. So they basically literally say that we believe in America basically. We believe in Europe. we believe in Russia basically. We will throw him out basically. Don't worry basically. Because that is BJP government. And same way it's the Congress government also. Why? Because BJP has created by Congress also. Congress only basically. So that is basically different topic basically. That is basically also connecting to the India account only. Because if you create an account basically, the country behaviors are also basically taken into the picture basically. Because when you create one person's account, one country account, everything is taken basically into the picture. So that we will be going to discuss basically what are these all basically things basically which are taken. So that basically we will see next week.